Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you how you can use vitamin E to make your face look young, tight, shiny and spotless. Vitamin E oil is both a nutrient and an antioxidant. Vitamin E oil in its purest form is extremely versatile, so when it comes to choosing the most effective vitamin E for skin, even 400 capsule works best. So the first method, how to use vitamin E as a facial massage. So for this, take a bowl and pour hot water. Soak a towel in hot water and squeeze the excess water out. Now gently steam your face with this hot towel. The steam released from the towel helps to open up your pores. Now once the pores are open, vitamin E oil is better absorbed into the skin. Puncture 2 vitamin E capsules with a clean pen and squeeze the oil out. Apply this oil all over your face. Gently massage the oil into the skin with circular motions in an upward direction for 5 minutes, and also apply to the area around your eyes and massage gently in a circular motion. Leave it on for an hour and rinse off with lukewarm water. Vitamin E nourishes and moisturizes wrinkled skin. It promotes healthy skin, improves skin flexibility and elasticity, and helps tighten and firm loose sagging skin. Use this twice in a week for best results. Now I'll show you how to use vitamin E as a face mask. Take a bowl and add 1/4 slice of fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice works towards tightening pores, bleaching age spots and dark spots. Now in case if you have sensitive or dry skin, skip lemon. Then add 3 teaspoons of rose water. And finally the content of 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix it well and with the help of a cotton pad, apply the solution on your face. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then wash off with cool water and apply some moisturizer. Repeat this every alternate day for up to a week to see results. This removes age spots, dark spots, pimple marks and skin discoloration. Now I'll show you how to use vitamin E as after bath lotion. Take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of pure coconut oil and the content of 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix it well. Apply sufficient amount on wet skin or slightly damp skin and massage gently until fully absorbed. The blend of vitamin E and coconut oil helps to regenerate new skin cells and lightens brown spots, pigmentation and scars found on the face. Use this regularly to bring a youthful, clear glow on your face. Now I'll show you how to use vitamin E as a bedtime or nighttime moisturizer. So take a bowl and squeeze the oil out from 1 vitamin E capsule. And finally add 3 drops of turmeric essential oil to it. Turmeric essential oil known for its anti-aging and fairness qualities. Mix well and use this as your nighttime or bedtime moisturizer. Follow this daily for a week to see dramatic results. It restores the lost moisture, improves skin clarity and lightens skin tone. So do try any of these methods to get beautiful, spotless, shiny, youthful complexion. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also subscribe for more such amazing beauty videos. Thanks everyone. Take care and bye.